Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about one more example of the Python file. In my previous videos, I already explained examples of the Python files. Here also, I am going to discuss about one more example of the Python file. Okay, now here I am going to discuss about the example is count the occurrence of a word in a test file. So what is the meaning of the count the occurrence of a occurrence method? The, uh, in a list method, the syntax of the count method is list.count method. In string method, string.count method. So count the occurrence of a given element. Number of times the element can occur in the given list or the given string. So that is the count method. So first to create the test file. Now we are the test file. Count the occurrence of a word in a test file. So because of that, first create the test file in your system. So how to create the test file, that is already explained in my previous videos. Please refer that one. So once again, here I will explain how to create the test file in your systems. In the search bar, type notepad. Okay. So now we are going to write the content of the test. Content of the test. For example, I created here the test is the given test file content. So given test file is welcome to hello, welcome to Prakasham tutorials. So now here I will take the content. So given the test file, welcome to Prakasham tutorials. In Prakasham tutorials, YouTube channel, you will learn or you will find Python programs for all general uses, general use cases. In Prakasham tutorials, various easy subjects explained neatly, clearly. Okay. Name of the subjects: SS, ETSP, Python, MTL, DSP, CS, DC, antenna designs. Etc. So now here I created the some content in the test file, and after writing the some test, so save that test file into your system. Go to the file, click on the save button or the save as. Save that file into your suitable location. So now here I will give the file name is count.file count.txt. So click on the save button. So my file is successfully saved in my computer, and after that coming to the program. So now we are the type the program. So reference file is first created. Open command file is equal to using open command, open function, open of inside the single quotation or the double quotation. So now we are the copy the your file location, and now my file is count. Okay, right click on the file, select the properties and copy your file location. Okay, and paste that file location into open command, and after that here give the file name. My file name is count dot, this is the test format. Okay, at the end of that file use the test dot txt comma, and that is the file name. Default mode is read mode, so inside the single quotation is the read mode. Okay, close the parenthesis. So now we are the in this, instead of backslash we can use forward slash. So change that backward slash into forward slash, press the enter button. So read the content of the file. So read the content of the file using print function. Data is equal to file dot, now where the open command variable is, open command is stored in file variable. So file dot read mode. So print that read content into the Python console using the print command. So print of, so given test file data, test file data is data, and the given test file data will be displayed on the Python console. So whatever the content you entered into the test file, that content will be observed on the Python console using this uh, print command. And after that using the occurrences method. So what is the syntax of the occurrence method? uh, that variable dot count method of element occurrences variable is equal to, what is the variable here? Data dot count method, data dot co into count method of element. So whatever the element we can observe the number of times occurrences, that element we can enter here. So inside the single quotation or the double quotation, suppose for example I will observe Python variable. So that is a sequence of the character, because of that can be entered inside the single quotation or the double quotation. So data dot count method. So now we are in the given test file, the word Python word, how many times observed here? Python word one time, one time, and second time two times. So the Python word will be observed on the Python will in the given test file. The Python word will be observed in two times here. So when use this command, occurrences is equal data dot count of Python element. So the output will be observed on the Python console 2. The number of count is 2. And similarly one more one I will create similarly in one more time. Um, occurrences is equal to data dot count. So inside the quotation enter the whatever the element we can observe, that element can be observed inside the count method. So now here I want to observe Prakasam tutorials element. Okay, so in the given test file, how many times we can observe that word? One time, two times, and three times. Three times will be observed on the given test file. So on the Python console, we will observe number of occurrences of the word is 3. Number of occurrences of the word is 3. And similarly, one more time I will create occurrences is equal to and capital Python. In the given test file, there is no capital Python word. So what you can observe on the Python console, the count is 0. So now here at the end of this occurrences command, use the print function. So print of inside the single quotation or the double quotation, number of occurrences of the word, number of occurrences of the word of the given test file, and close the double quotation, comma, occurrences, and close the bracket. So now we are also at the end of this occurrences. We can use another print function. So print of number of occurrences of the word. Here also once again type the print function. So this is the program of count the occurrence of a word in a given test file. So now save the program. Click on the run module. Save the program in your suitable location. Okay. So now the program name is count.py. So click on the save button. The output will be observed on the Python console. So this is the given test file. What is the given test file content? This is the given test file content, that is hello, welcome to Prakasam tutorials. In Prakasam tutorials YouTube channel, you will find Python programs for all general use cases. In Prakasam tutorials, various easy subjects explained neatly, and name of the subjects SS, PTSP, Python, EMTL, DSP, CS, DC, antenna designs, etc. Okay. So now here the program, in the program code, I use number of occurrences Python. That number of occurrences of the word in the given test file is that Python is in 2 times, and this is 1 time, and this is second time. And Prakasham tutorial is observed in 3 times. First time, second time, third time. And the next one is number of occurrences of the capital Python word. There is no capital Python word in the given test file, so we can observe that count is 0. So this is one more example of the Python files.